Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm Grove Sleeper. I wanted to show off what the trees were looking like when I picked them up from their former owners down in northern Arizona. My parents actually were taking care of these for a while after my grandfather was no longer able to. They've just been sitting on this retaining wall on a watering system, so I drove about 16 hours and pulled them up to the Pacific Northwest, and they are now safe in my yard where they're going to get the much needed attention they all really deserve. We're going to be going through on this channel every single one of these trees and doing a restoration on them. I'm going to be replacing dead moss, removing any dead branches off of the trees, maybe be doing a couple of we're definitely cleaning up the pots, but a couple of pot repairs, lots of junk that needs to be taken out of all of these different pieces, and just some gorgeous trees at the center of every single one. And I know that we're going to be able to recover these and really get them into some beautiful condition. There's even a piece of a tarp underneath that juniper that needs to get removed. And that is definitely our biggest tree in the grove. So just doing a count here, the number of trees that we're going to be working on this channel, starting with this one on the cooler, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 trees, plus one lovely assistant. She'll be helping me out along the way, and it would help me out from you guys if you could drop a subscribe. 50 subscribers, and we get to do bonsai restorations live on YouTube. Thanks.